So, you want to be a great certified nursing assistant? Well, let me tell you, it's about way more than just passing a test and getting that certificate. It's about mastering a certain set of skills. Today, we're going to break down the 10 essentials that really make all the difference. Let's jump in.
I think about this a lot. What is it that really separates a good CNA from a truly great one? It's not just about showing up and doing the tasks. It's about a specific combination of skills that turns this job into a real calling.
And to make it easy to understand, we've broken these skills down into 3 main groups. First, we'll talk about the heart. That's all your people skills. Then the mind, your clinical know-how. And finally, the body, which covers the practical, physical demands of the job. And then we'll wrap it all up and talk about your path forward.
So, first up, the heart. These are the skills that are, without a doubt, the absolute core of patient care. This is where it all begins.
Honestly, communication is everything. Think about it. You're the bridge. You're the person connecting patients who are scared or confused with their families who are worried and with the rest of the busy medical team. Being able to really listen and then clearly explain what's happening, it's completely non-negotiable.
And right alongside communication, you've got empathy. You are meeting people at their most vulnerable moments. And your care, it's not just about fluffing a pillow or taking vitals. It's about making a real human connection. Making someone feel safe, seen, and respected. That's what compassion really is.
And of course, you're never flying solo in this job. Being a solid, dependable team player is absolutely essential. When you can work smoothly with the nurses, the doctors, the therapists, the entire system just works better, and the ultimate winner is always the patient.
It really is that simple. You can boil it all down to this one idea. Healthcare is a team sport, and you're a vital player in that team. Being a great teammate doesn't just make you good at your job, it makes you an incredible asset.
All right, let's switch gears from the heart to the head. This is our second pillar, the mind. This is where your brain power, your sharp observational skills really come into play. This is a huge one, attention to detail. This is all about being an amazing observer. Noticing a tiny change in someone's breathing or their skin tone or even just their mood, that can be the very first sign that something serious is going on. Your eyes and your gut feelings are one of the best early warning systems a patient can have.
Now look, nobody's expecting you to know everything a doctor does, but having a solid handle on basic medical terms is a total game changer. It means you can read a chart and actually understand it. You can report changes to a nurse using the right language. It just makes you so much more efficient and effective.
Let's be real. Shifts get chaotic. Things go wrong. A patient might have a fall, or you'll have 5 call lights going off at once. Your ability to stay calm in that moment, to think on your feet, and just adapt, that's what makes you a true professional.
Okay, so we've covered the heart and the mind. Time for our third pillar, the body. This is all about the practical skills you need to handle the intense physical and, emotional demands of being a CNA.
There's no way to sugarcoat this. This job is tough on your body. We're talking long shifts, hours and hours on your feet. We're talking about lifting and turning patients safely. Building up your physical stamina isn't just a nice idea, it's an absolute requirement to do this job well and keep yourself from getting hurt.
So picture this. You've got a list of tasks for a handful of patients, and they all need something. That skill of juggling, of knowing what has to be done right now, and what can wait 5 minutes, that's how you manage the workload without getting completely overwhelmed. It's crucial.
Okay, this next one is another total non-negotiable, infection control. We're talking proper hand washing, using your protective equipment the right way, following every single protocol. As a CNA, you are literally the first line of defense in protecting your patients, your coworkers, and yourself. And look, this job isn't just tough on your body. It can be tough on your spirit, too. You're going to see some hard things. That's why building up your emotional resilience, learning how to process things and take care of your own mental health is just as vital as any other skill we've talked about today.
Okay, so we've got the heart, the mind, and the body. Now for the big question. How do you put it all together to build a successful career?
See, a truly great CNA isn't just amazing at one of these things. They're a blend of all 3. It's that powerful mix of compassion from the heart, critical thinking from the mind, and the strength and endurance from the body. That's what creates a truly outstanding healthcare professional.
And you know what? Here's the most important thing I want you to walk away with. None of this is stuff you're just born with. Every single one of these 10 things are skills. And skills can be learned, they can be practiced, you can get better at them every single day.
So think of these skills as your professional toolkit. You've got everything you need to get started. The only question left is the one you have to answer for yourself. How are you going to use them to go out there and build a career that makes a real, lasting impact?
Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more nursing educational videos. See you next time.